Hey, okay, I'm going to show you how you can use your pictures and turn them into mockups for your art using Photoshop. Okay, excuse the messy hair, very hot, very hot. Okay, let's go. This is a picture that I've taken the other day and I've imported it into Photoshop. So as you can see, the color isn't that great, so I'm going to adjust the lighting using Photoshop's levels. I'm just going to eyeball it here until I get the desired outcome. Okay. So once that's done, I'm going to import my picture. I'm going to drag it and drop it into my main editing page. So to transform it, I'm just going to click Ctrl T on my laptop. That will be Command T if you're on Mac. And I'm going to position my image over my mockup area. And then right click, choose the warp function, whereby I can manipulate the edges. I'm just going to turn down the opacity so that I can see the layer beneath it. And I'll continue to adjust it, making sure that my image fits the white background. It'll take a few tries. It does take a few tries to get it right, but it's okay. I think that's about it. Okay. I'm just gonna zoom in a bit to see. I've missed a spot. Okay. I'm just gonna adjust this. Okay. And I click OK. And I'm going to increase back the opacity and choose the blending options as multiply in this case. So you see it blends perfectly well into the background and it looks natural. I've noticed that I sort of overshot a bit in the editing part, so I'm just gonna adjust it again using the warp function. Okay. Now for the next one, I'm just going to import the same thing again. Same step again. Ctrl T to transform the image. That will be Command T on Mac. And drag the edges. Lower down the opacity, and I'm going to use the perspective function over here. Again, taking my time to adjust it. Now I'm going to use the warp function to make sure that the edges are in line. I'm just adjusting the width using the perspective tool. Again, back to the warp function. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, just a bit over here that I need to adjust. Again, go to the warp function and try to make it as close as possible to the white background. Okay, once I'm satisfied, I think that's good. I click right and use multiply as the blending mode. Increase back the opacity. So now I can save the file to be exported on my social media platforms. I've already saved it as a JPEG file. So I'm not going to save it again. So I'm going to open it. So there you have it, your image you can use on any social media platforms or websites. Okay, so that's how you create a mockup, and I hope this has been helpful. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye!